guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. Welcome. Hey guys, for those of you who may be brand new, I am Kimmi Nunnally, #1 notary educator. That's right. If you don't think you're #1, who else will think so? But I actually got the receipts because my people are doing amazing in the Notary Educators Business Success Mentor Program. How about that? Well, welcome. YouTube is notifying me that I am live. So I will be leaving out shortly. I'm going to take you guys with me a little bit. My sister's getting ready to pick me up, and she got a couple errands to run. I want to talk a little bit today about field inspections. Let me tell you who I am really quick for those who do not know. I teach notaries how to have a successful business by means of knowing what they need to do. If you are still fearful and you have all of your supplies and don't know what to do, that's where I come in. I help you to learn how to do your notarial duties. If you don't know your business, you have no business doing business, right? You know my other sayings, questions equal money. We have to know the right questions to ask. Questions equal money. Questions equal money. We have to know the right questions to ask in order to be profitable. So I teach you how to do that. Okay. Many of you also have your toner, your paper, all of this stuff, but you still don't know how to do the business. So that's where I come in. I don't mind getting in the dirt with you. Let's play in the dirt. Let's play in them notarizations. Let's get it done. Okay. Hey, welcome everybody. So if you have any questions that you want to address, drop it in the little chat box. We'll talk about it. I was trying to make an appointment. Of course, she reaches out while I am live. I'll be back available Tuesday. Oh wow, she want to wait till Tuesday. Okay. No worries. I was trying to make this appointment. Hey, Maria, what's up? I'm a notary. Do know where you're being. Wait a minute. I'm a notary. Do know where to be. I think you're trying to say you don't know where to begin. I'm trying to read your shorthand. I think that's what you're saying. So I'll give you a couple steps. It doesn't change no matter what state you are in. The steps are the same to become a notary, okay? First, I want you to start with learning a little bit about the business that you're thinking about entering. And that's going to be either do a little research. You can. I have 1,000 videos here on the channel. Or I also have my Start Your Notary Business book. It's a very quick read. Very quick. Because you know how I do. I don't do complications. I do simple. Uncomplicated. It's not that complicated. That's what it says here. Ooh, it's not that complicated. So you can get the book for your state. What state are you in, Maria? And that's going to give you a nice overview of the business. And then I say get your commission from your state. Okay. After you get your commission, then come back to me and let us help you with your training. Now, your state may provide a little basic training. Most of them do not. And if they do, it's great. It's great, but it won't be enough to help you to sustain a business. Have you ever been to the doctor's office and they give you, I know I went before for my blood pressure. My blood pressure was high. And they gave me a little something to help me while I was in the hospital. But the real treatment comes from me getting outside of the hospital, actually doing the work, right? I might have to go get an actual prescription. They might have gave me like a little injection just to get me started. So that's how I compare to state training. It may give you something to get you started, but then you actually need to know what you're doing. So that's what Maria is saying. She said, I have my seal. She's in South Carolina. I love me some South Carolina. I spend a lot of time in Greenville. Actually, Woodruff. Not sure if you know where Woodruff is. I have family friends that are there that I've known since I was little. So I go to Woodruff quite a lot. It's 3 hours from me. So it doesn't matter what state you're in. I'm in Georgia, but it doesn't matter. I teach nationwide. And how am I able to do that? Because you still need your South Carolina handbook to tell you your basic things, but I'm going to come in here and help you build this $100,000 business you hear people talking about. Okay, I'm going to help you from the ground up. That's why I came on today to talk about field inspections. We need to be adding field inspections to our list of services that we're doing. A lot of us, we're not making any money yet. That's a quick way to start making some money. It's a quick way to start getting your supplies by doing field inspections. So I'm going to talk about that in a little bit. I actually got a treat coming for y'all the next couple of days. So I'm not going to talk about it today because the little YouTube world be listening, y'all. People be watching what you doing. But they say, isn't that the greatest form of flattery? People watch what you do and then they copy you. And then don't we all copy each other just a little bit? If you want to keep it 100 or keep it a buck, as they say, we all copy everybody. And so it's all good. But I'm going to wait and show y'all that one. So let's see here. So Maria has her seals. We talked about that. She said, I do have my notary seals to notarize paperwork, but I don't know where to begin. Yes. So that's why you need training, honey. Maria, before you get started, let's get you some training. So I know you got all your supplies. I'm going to tell you to pump the brakes. And again, I'm really going to recommend, let's start by knowing what you're doing. The overall, you ever leave a doctor's office? I love the doctor's office, right? But you leave a doctor's office, you had the visit with them, right? So today you're having your doctor's visit. Now I'm going to leave you with that instruction sheet that they send home with your discharge papers. What do I do next? So you have your commission, you have your supplies. Now your discharge is going to be this. Boom. Get the book for your state. Again, a quick read. Let's find out what's all the symptoms. What's going on? What is this notary business all about? What can I do? And then double back, and I'm going to help you with your training. What does that look like? We have our mentorship program, which will take you, it's week by week. It's live training. You have 2 options to enter. So you can look at the website, notaryeducators.com, and see which one works best for you. There's a $27 entry point or a $47 entry point. Now you may say, Kimmi, I'm not ready for mentorship at all. I don't want to do all that. I just want to quick get in and get out. If that's the case, one thing I'd recommend you buy from me, in addition to the book, would be the Notarize Like a Pro, because you have to know what you're doing before you start stamping papers. Do not get out there and guess and figure, okay, I got this one right, the next one will be right, and I'll just keep kind of winging it. No, that is not how we run a business. It's not. You have to know what you're doing, and I'm good at teaching how to get it done simply. You don't need 55 modules. You don't need 200 modules. You don't have to have no test. You don't have to have any certification. Okay, not for general notary work, you don't. Now, if you want to do loan signing, that's a different ball game. Okay, we will need a little certification through the NNA, and that's still something quick. It doesn't take 200 modules to learn it. Okay, you do need to learn this business, but it doesn't take 3 years to learn it. Okay, especially if you're ready to get down with it. Maria says, are you used to live in Woodruff 95 to 2? Oh, you used to live in Woodruff 95 to 2004. Oh, okay. Hey, Tyra, welcome. Where are you at, Tyra? What state are you repping today? Where are you? Are you a notary already? Thinking about it? Where are you in your journey? So Maria says, right now I'm living in Spartanburg. Oh, yeah, I spent a lot of time in Spartanburg. So my friends that live in Woodruff, and you already know this, a lot of times we either have to go to Spartanburg or we go to Greenville if they need something big like the Best Buy, Walmarts, et cetera, et cetera. So you can be a notary, though, successfully wherever you are. You just need to know what to do. So I'm in Georgia, which is an attorney state. And a lot of people say, you can't make no money in an attorney state. They cannot, but they don't know what to do. That's why they're not making any money. But once you know what to do, right? Knowledge is power. Knowledge put in action is even more powerful and equals money, right? So let's talk about field inspections, because a lot of times some of you are trying to get your supplies. I hear that a lot. Well, Kimmi, I don't have $500 to buy a printer. I don't have money for this. Tyra says she's in Ohio and she's already a notary. Go. So I'm from Michigan originally, Tyra, and my best friend lives in Dayton. So I was just up there actually for a week. Her mom is sick. How far are you from Dayton?